Well, hello, and welcome back to AI Shift News. And this video is going to be about the AI Shift News operating system, AI Shift News media pipeline. So we're going to be expanding the AI Shift News website. Right now, we've got blog posts being created every day and thumbnails. So now we're going to start branching out to social media. I've already done some YouTube videos, so which is here. And then our first social media platform is going to be to X. So not only are we going to have 3 blog posts to my AI Shift News website, we're also going to create an X post. And then after that, we'll be creating a LinkedIn post, and then an Instagram, and then a Facebook, and a TikTok. And if I scroll down here, we're also going to have my my newsletter going out every Friday as well. That'll all be automated. So today we are working on that. And I asked Codex, got a question about Hermes. I know he's doing our content strategy every morning at 5 a.m. and we just added X to be a part of that. So what did we, or what do you need to implement in order for that to happen flawlessly? And I want you to do some double checking on your work and Hermes to see what needs to be implemented properly for the function, for that to function the way it should. So the short answer, 5 a.m. content pipeline is working, but X is not yet fully automatic posting system. So basically Hermes has a 5 a.m. cron job. Then the morning pipeline now runs specialist stages: Alex, Serena, Joe, Elvis, and Elon. And the schedule active has 1 scheduled item, 24 published, 1 held. X metadata is wired into the scheduler. We did that today. X draft packages exist and can be manually posted. So that's how we're going to start. We're going to start by, I'm going to approve the X post and then I have to manually post it. But in the future, I'll approve the post and then it'll just be automated. So automatic X package generation after a post, instead of creating social drafts, is a separate manual step. XAuth repair, so API posting must stay disabled. Social pre-flight gate, thumbnail, test, media present, credentials valid, queue level, social state. Hard rule that Hermes cannot mark X done unless there is either a manual post or proof URL or an authenticated API proof. Also fixed one real drift. While auditing, the runtime Hermes pipeline had a duplicate thumbnail hash guard. The repo mirror, did not have. I synced that guard, then verified the repo copy now matches the runtime copy. So basically, Codex is going through all of this. And then I asked him, so what's the ideal look for tomorrow morning? Because basically I would have my draft for my 3 pieces of content with 6 thumbnails. So now obviously I'm going to have 3 pieces of content plus an X post. So the ideal morning tomorrow, you should still get your normal core package first. 1 clickable review page with approval controls, artifact gate, 6 thumbnails. And for X, I would not start by generating 2 differently separate thumbnails. That adds more review work and more chances of inconsistency. Cleaner flow is pick 1 approved article for X. Use the selected article thumbnail. So we're going to reuse the same thumbnail. That's okay. You're going to repurpose one thumbnail, which is fine. You're going on a different platform, so it really doesn't matter. And then you're going to create a social package for X, an article URL, selected thumbnail, character count, manual status, proof file. And so here's the whole package for tomorrow for X. And then I asked him about adding LinkedIn as well, and LinkedIn again is a little bit different, the requirements in that for LinkedIn, but you know, it's not really much harder to add LinkedIn as well, but we're not going to do both at the same time. We're going to do one at a time. We're going to give X, you know, a few days to get organized, and then we'll add the LinkedIn one. And you know, we go through, these are all the things that Codex come up with that has to be done. And then he gave me a new media pipeline here, and I'll show you that. So if I pop this one up, and you can see the difference side by side, which I kind of like. I mean, this one obviously was much simpler. I love the simple layout. He moved this box down here, so I asked him, I want to move that back above there the way it was. And then he added the newsletter post package. I get that, and all the rest of this stuff here. So which is fine. I just didn't really like that he moved this down here. So let's see. We'll go back, and then I asked him. I still like the look of the first one, which I just went through. And then, you know, he says, "Oh, I see the issue in the screenshots. Blah blah blah. Got it." And then now he gave me a corrected pipeline. So let's see. I click submit. He's thinking about it, and he should be giving me another screenshot of the updated version, and see what he's done here. Okay, I think it's coming up. Do you want to make the changes? Yes, I do. Yes, submit. Shouldn't really take very long. He's had most of the work done already. So you know what, I'll bring this one back up, and I'll put it over here, and let's see what he comes up with here. Layout file is serving correctly now. Thumbnail endpoint is still returning 404. Yes, its server is probably resolving against the OS project root. Q is now choosing stage and video thumbnail path correctly, so that part's fixed. He's getting very, very close. He's almost there. And here we go. Here we go. Open in Safari. Oh, is that it? Okay, hang on. Oh, he just changed it. Okay. All right, I get it. I get it. So now that's a little cramped because that square isn't lining up quite good. Okay, now these look good because now they actually have the thumbnails in there. It's definitely better. Newsletter post package. Okay, so it's not created. Okay, I get it. All right, so let's go YouTube. Okay, so he did a YouTube post. Oh, okay, so he's already done all that. So it's all going to be ready to go. So whichever one I want to create, it's already there. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, beautiful. Other than this here, I don't really like that so much. So I'm going to take a screenshot, and I'm going to put that in here, give it to him, and I'm going to tell him to fix that. So here's a screenshot of your revised copy there. Which for the most part, it's pretty good, other than you've got that blue block around the X. It's not looking that good. It's a little sloppy. On the right side, you can see it's cutting out the AI Shift News CA. So if you want to fix that for me, please make it look good. So when I click on all of them, the boxes are going to surround the topic content properly. All the rest are good. It's just the first one. That one just needs a little attention. Okay, now I'm going to just one thing I'd still polish later. The X package preview image is cropped too aggressively in the lower panel. Yeah, that's true too. Yeah, so you could shift everything over a little bit to the right. Let's see, submit. Yes, I love my job. I love my job. This is fucking amazing. I remember building websites from scratch, man, and oh my god, it's a frickin' nightmare. This would have taken me days and days and days to do something like this. And then, is it even going to work? You know? Let me see. I'm going to ask him if he... Codex, did you fix the X post thumbnail look there? Because that kind of looks shitty. You said it's kind of squished. So you can slide everything over to the right a little bit. Even the top one if you have to. The article URL and the X post package. Okay, send that off to Codex, and he'll be right back with... You're right. No, I hadn't fixed the lower X post thumbnail yet. I only called it out. Wow. Get on it, Codex. Get on it, brother. Yes, fix it right up. Fix it right up. Okay, submit. Sizing is patched, verifying the page serves the updated CSS and the local OS server is still running. So he's going to give me a clickable link. Open in Safari. Oh yeah, so let's... no, don't go there. Let's see. Move this over. Oh, okay, so it just... It just revised the copy. Okay, I thought I was going to get another copy. That looks much better. Much cleaner. Look at that. You fix that up. Everything's looking good there. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So that's my video for today. And thanks for coming out. Thanks for watching. And that was the AI Shift News Media Pipeline Creation. Awesome. Thank you. Please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the other side.